everyone! Once again I'm bringing you another Romanian recipe. We are going to learn how to make a delicious mushroom stew. In my home, we usually serve this stew with polenta. If you have not learned how to make polenta yet, please check out my how-to video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to help me out, and in turn you will receive notifications when my next recipe is out. Let's get to it. For this recipe we need the following ingredients: about 2 pounds of mushrooms, 1 big white onion cubed, 2-3 cloves of garlic, 200 milliliters of milk, 200 grams of sour cream, 100 milliliters of olive oil or any oil, 50 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, 300 milliliters of water, some parsley, 1 teaspoon of dill. You can use dry or fresh one. I'm using dry, I don't have fresh. Pepper and salt to taste. In a pot, we add the oil and let it heat up. Once our oil is hot, you add the onion, and let them brown for a bit. No burning allowed. When the onion becomes transparent, add the mushrooms. And stir it a bit so that it mixes with the oil and onions. I love the smell of mushrooms. This was one of my favorite recipes in Romania. It's also super easy to do it here because you find the mushrooms all year round. Here though it's so difficult to find them. Every time I'm finding them, I'm always buying them and do this. You can also do it with chicken. I'm usually buying them from Costco, where you can find a decent quantity for an acceptable price. Add the water. Mix it well and then cover it up and let it cook for a few minutes. Once our water is boiling, you can add the garlic. Mix it and let it boil until the sauce thickens. Add a teaspoon of salt. Add some pepper to taste. Let it boil for about 15 minutes or until the sauce thickens. Remember, we want to make a very creamy dish. In the meantime, in another small pot, we start preparing the cream for the mushrooms. Add the butter and let it melt. Once our butter is melted, you can add the flour. And we stir well to avoid creating lumps. Add the milk. And let it boil. The sauce has to be thick like this. And remove it from the fire. The cream has to look like this. It's really thick. We lower the fire for the mushrooms and we add the cream on top of it. We also add the sour cream and mix everything together. This smells so good. and let it cook for a few more minutes. The amount of time it needs to boil is hard to say and is based on the type of sour cream you use. In my case, I'm using one with 10% fat. I like my sauce not too thick, but if you want it thicker, just let it boil for a few more minutes. Keep in mind that it will get thicker as it cools down. Stir it now and then to avoid sticking to the pot. If needed, adjust the taste with some salt and more pepper. Add the dill and the parsley. This is already smelling so good. My mouth is watering. Like I mentioned before, depending on what side dish you'll have, you can either make it thicker by letting the water evaporate a bit more, or you can just leave it juicy like this. This time I'm accompanying it with polenta, so I will knead it like this. And we are done. Enjoy this delicious dish with some polenta on the side, and learn how to make it by clicking on the link on this screen. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and leave me your comments. See you next time, and let's eat!